The part while we are in the horsey. Oh my gosh, it's so very first time to visit the mall. Wow. So we're gonna look at that for a moment. Let's wait. So Grandma, where are you gonna see it?
What?
Where are you gonna sit? The horse or the mule?
I do not know.
Gonna sit the horse. Horsey, horse. Oh, it's so cute. Hello. Say hello to the YouTube. No? Okay. Bye. Oh my, now we're gonna go. So wait guys. Okay guys, it's finished. They are not moving. Now it's our turn to go there. It's our turn. I think. So let's think. Tara, say hello. Say hello to YouTube. Oh yeah, the ending part is part 7. Cause we're going to the grocery. That's too damn. I wanna go home. Oh. So yeah, part 7 is the ending. Sakit, babe. Okay, we're gonna go. Now we're here. Gotta hold go. Now I'm here. Oh my God. Diyan ako. I'm gonna go here because I'm big. Now I'm at the top. Huh. Okay, now we're moving. Whoa, I'm going down. I'm going down. Oh my gosh, it's so cool. Yeah. It's a horse. I'm gonna win at this race. There's a moon. There's a moon race. Moon race. Oh my gosh, Bear. My cousin Bear is so scared right now. We're going. Someone's talking on the phone. Wow, this horse is ugly. My horse is beautiful. Oh, hey, Uncle. Oh, Angel. We're just moving around. Then do nothing. Do nothing. I hate this. Do nothing. I hate this. Hey. I'm so I didn't mention to do that. Going up, going down, going up, going down, going up. I mean, oh my gosh! So the mall is here. Oh yeah, the Ferris wheel that we go through. Oh, it's videoing. Are you videoing? I'm videoing at the videoing people. Ooh, let's go. Hey! Oh, I'm featuring at featuring. What? Now I'm confused. That horse. Ah! I almost Oh, so many people in the girl photograph. Oh,
Sad mother duck went out wandering
I'm gonna pet your pet. Wee! Sorry. Is it over? Stop! It's not over! Hey again! It's over!
Baka nagsabi, Mama, horse.
Going up. Oh, I'm going down. I'm going up. I'm going down. I'm gonna show you if I'm going up or down. See? Oh, I win the race. Did I win the race? I'll win the race. Yay! Done! Now it's done. Bye! Oh my! Help me! Ha!
Doon ka sa dulo.
Excuse.
Yan. Hindi yung gagalaw. Hindi yung gagalaw. Ganun ka.
I'm gonna picture, so bye. It's recording.
Hey, let's go.
Let's go. We're going to the grocery. So
Ticket ka pa sa.
I got a ticket. So where do I need to go? So stay tuned to part 6. Bye.